Home? Home is where our heritage thrives, a sanctuary of tradition and unity that inspires us to dream and grow together. As we pause to reflect on our journey, we acknowledge how this vibrant land has become a true sanctuary for so many of us. The UAE is not just a geographic location, it is a rich tapestry woven from diverse cultures, collective dreams, and boundless possibilities. Here, we have discovered not merely residences, but the warmth of community and the unbreakable spirit of unity that binds us together. From the bustling streets of Dubai, alive with energy and ambition, to the serene landscapes of Abu Dhabi, where nature meets tranquility. Every corner of this extraordinary nation beckons us to cultivate our lives and nurture our aspirations. I deeply understand the profound significance of finding that perfect place you can truly call home, a space where dreams take root and flourish. Together, let's embark on a journey to uncover the limitless opportunities this incredible country has to offer. Happy National Day! Here's to our shared journey of home, where every dream begins and every heart finds its belonging.